Spencer, let me ask you a really important question that customers ask nearly every single time at some point in the process. Do you take their mattress away from them?
Good question.
For them?
Good question. That's the number one question asked. Absolutely. A good company will take your old mattress from your home, and they'll clean up, around it and tidy your room up where it was when they got there. And they'll dispose of it either at a landfill, which then recycles it.
And how much does that cost?
That's no charge.
Well, technically, the state of California charges.
Well, whether you're disposing or not, though. The state
Right.
of California charges what's called a recycle fee, and that's to support the whole recycling business model, so to speak, on these older beds.
So one fee you can count on adding to any mattress purchase you make in California is
now,
$10.50
per piece.
But any good company, any showroom that has a legit business behind it, they will dispose of your mattress.
Yeah.
Now you know.